What is up, Nexus Army? RPM Nexus here, bring you a brand new tech review video. This particular video is going to be something that is for a tech device, I guess. It is for mobile devices and it's really cool, and I can't wait to show you guys this amazing product that I found on Amazon. So before I get into the video, what I want to know, guys, is what kind of phone case you're using for your mobile device right now. Drop it down in the comments below. Let me know what you're using. Let all the other people know what you're using, and so that everybody can check it all out. Alright guys, as I mentioned, I bought a case for my phone and as well as my wife's phone, and these things are super awesome. What case you're seeing right now in the bag, it is for the iPhone 7. My case is currently on my phone, and that's what I'm using to record this video with. As you can tell, it comes in a little Ziploc bag, which is really cool. And what's cool about this stuff is that they actually send you instructions on the waterproofing of this particular thing. They ask you to do the waterproofing before you put it on your phone. They ask you to take a bucket of water, stick it in water, and place like a coffee mug or something on it to weigh it down so that it can do the waterproofing. And you have to leave it down there for 30 minutes to make sure it's okay. And then when you pull it out, you check the piece of paper that you put inside the case and see if it's wet, and if it's wet, then obviously you got a defective case, so you have to send it back to Amazon to wherever to get a new case, and then they'll send you another one back. So let's go ahead, let's open up this particular baggie here. And what's really cool about this is that I did a video of me at the water park, which after I show you the cool stuff about this particular phone case, what's all in it, what comes with this package, you'll be able to see those particular videos where I went into the lazy river and I submerged the phone down, and then also went down a water slide, and you get to see that going as well. But like I said, it is made by Moko. It's made in China, which is really cool. I'm gonna let you know, this phone case is 100% waterproof, and it's only waterproof for up to 30 minutes, I think. Okay, let's see what we got. We got this little thingy here. I'm not too sure what it's for. I'm pretty sure it's like something you can hold onto your phone or something like that, which is really cool. I don't think mine came with this, which is super cool that it came for the iPhone, so you get something a little extra. And then you get the little cleaning cloth to clean the screen and all that cool stuff before you put the case on, so that it's clean and all that good stuff from fingerprints, so you won't have to worry about taking the phone back out and then put it back in the case, you know, that kind of deal. And then you got like the instructions right here, and then it's got a little pretty little picture, cool thing there. And then we got the instructions, waterproof case for the iPhone 7, which is, like I said, is really cool, and it's 100% waterproof. So basically, the functionality and protection: waterproof, snowproof, dustproof, shockproof case, especially for Samsung Galaxy S8, which also, like I said, this is for my wife's iPhone 7. Is perfectly suitable for your outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, skateboarding, and deep sea diving. Sensitive touch, built-in crystal clear screen cover, and protective film on back for fingerprint sensor. Both satisfy your need of touch sensitivity and deliver peak pixel protection. Anti-reflective optical glass camera lens. Note: the smartphone with extra screen protector will lose sensitivity touch, which like I said, mine got that oil under it, so I had to get rid of my screen protector, which, you know, most phones and most people would go with a screen protector just to give that extra protection just in case you drop it. Ports and buttons: full access to ports controls. Raised buttons allow responsive control. Waterproof and dustproof plugs for charge, micro USB port, and headphone jack, which is really cool. Easy installation. Along with the Moko Waterproof case, you get a step-by-step instruction booklet on basically just installing the case. As you can tell right here, it's got the really cool stuff. You got the little, I'm not too sure what this little part is for the iPhone. Then you got like the, I'm pretty sure that's, no, there's the volume buttons right there. And then you got the mute switch. I believe this is what this is on the side. I'm not too sure. I think this is for the mute switch. I'm not too sure on the layout of the iPhone. And then you got the back of it where it shows you the logo of the iPhone, and then the camera is right there, which is really cool about this particular case. And then you just stick it together, and then poof, you got a waterproof camera. And which, like I said, this is definitely 100% waterproof, but it's only about 30 minutes of waterproof time before it actually starts doing some weird stuff to your phone. And I do notice with my phone, when I go, I guess when I put it in the water, I guess
depending on the water flow or something like that, it puts a little pressure on the screen and it starts pushing certain things. I'm not too sure if it's because my screen's broken and that's the reason why it does that, or if it's just something dealing with the case where, you know, your fingerprints are still somewhat on the camera or on the phone itself, and it's pushing against that, you know, because your fingerprints do transfer to the phone case or the top of the screen, so that kind of gives that little in-depth kind of cool thing, and then it messes with certain things, and then there's certain times that I see it where it's not doing it. But the price for this case, believe it or not, it is only $20 plus shipping on Amazon, which is really cool because we all know the Lifeproof cases, they range anywhere between $50 to $100 for a Lifeproof case. And Lifeproof cases, like I said, they're really good, but after so long of keep taking it apart and putting it together, taking it apart, the rubber seal that's on the inside of it, like this right here, it starts to wear out, and then it's no longer waterproof. But this right here is 100% waterproof, and what I've taken mine off a few times to deal with certain things on the inside of my screen, and it's still okay with that kind of cool stuff. If you're looking for a cheap waterproof case and you don't want to spend a ton of money on a waterproof case, I recommend looking into this. And like I said, the link for the Galaxy S8 phone case for mine will be in the description, as well as the phone case for the iPhone 7 will be down in the description. I'm pretty sure they make other phone cases for other phones, for other models out there, but I'm not sure on that. But definitely look into this, and you know what, let's go ahead, let's get into all the waterproof videos that I did at the water park and let you guys see how well this waterproofing is with my Galaxy S8. Alright guys, let's get into those videos.